Love. Love is one of the most beautiful experiences in our lives. When we hear term love, हमारे दिमाग में आती हैं वो यादें, वो कमिटमेंट्स, jealousy, care, etc. Love is like a mixture of different emotions. So today we're gonna talk about some very basic neurological science behind love. Okay, so you know what? That explaining what happens in love is much more easier than explaining what is love. So let's start with what happens in love. I hope you guys agree that when we fall in love, जब किसी पर क्रश आता है, वो इंसान फिर जब हमारे सामने आता है, our heartbeat suddenly starts beating very fast. हमारे हाथ पैर ठंडे हो जाते हैं and our cheeks become red, जिसको हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज ब्लश भी कह देते हैं. मतलब you can't think straight at that time and you are also not able to say anything. So here comes a very important point that these all are the symptoms of a panic attack. Now, when we start talking with that person, हम लोग तैयार होते हैं अपना सब कुछ उस इंसान के लिए छोड़ने के लिए. हम लोग उसके लिए सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं. हम उसके साथ रहना चाहते हैं, अपनी ज़िंदगी बिताना चाहते हैं, उसके बारे में सोचते रहते हैं. And here comes another important point that these all are the symptoms of addiction. Now, अगर अब तक सब सही चला तो हम उस इंसान के लिए और भी पागल हो जाते हैं. We always want to call them, meet them and all. और हमारे दिमाग में बस एक ही बात चलती है कि अगर एक ये इंसान हमारी लाइफ में आ जाए तो हमारी लाइफ कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. And here comes another important point that these all are the symptoms of OCD, Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. Okay, so basically love is kind of mixture if panic attacks, addiction and OCD, and in science these all are the kind of disorder. But is love is an disorder? No. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. First of all, what is love? Biologically, it is kind of a step by nature or evolution to procreate, to reproduce. Okay, so let's suppose you are in a room with 100 and 1000 people. What happens is they all are like emitting some patterns, like by the way they talk, they look, their gestures and all. And your brain is like taking all the patterns and processing them. Here comes an important point that smell is like a pattern which plays a major role because there is thalamus in the brain which work like a security door. Every other pattern has to go through it, but the smell doesn't. So, yeah, if you smell good, you have a great chance to impress your crush. Okay, so thousands of patterns are coming and your brain is looking for that pattern जिसको देख के वो ये कह सके कि हाँ, that's good property. It's like आपको किसी की वो बात काफ़ी पसंद आए that can be conscious and unconscious. And once you find that pattern, your brain releases some amount of dopamine which act as a reward for that person. So for getting more reward, your brain start digging into that person's property. And this is like a time जब आपका किसी पर न्यू क्रश होता है, you don't know much about that person, but you want to know more. And when you find more patterns, if they fit in your brain, like अगर वो आपके ब्रेन की एलिजिबिलिटी को पास करते हैं, then you automatically start attracted toward that person. Because every time when you find pattern, your brain give you a reward, that is dopamine. It's like a chain reaction. And when you get more close to that person, your brain starts releasing one more hormone. That is generally known as attention hormone. Because once it released, you gave more and more attention to that person. So, this is kind of the very basic explanation of love in neurological science. If you guys like it, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and please comment if you want some more knowledge on this topic.